So, good morning you lot. We are heading off to the tuning lab today, as you can tell by the title. And look who's made an appearance for once. She's back. So, yeah, me, Charlotte and my brother are heading down to the tuning lab. Joel wanted me there desperately today, because obviously it's a dyno day. And then basically, hold on, because I need to give my brother directions. He has a clue where he's going. Just go straight through town. Alright, just go straight through town. So yeah, heading off down to the tuning lab. Meant to be hundreds of cars there. There's loads of food down there as well. Actually, good point, Cal. Stop off at Tesco's. We'll get some cash out as well. Get a load of food. There should be like GTRs. There'll be like loads of like Silvias. There'll be like STs down there as well. It's gonna be mad. I'm hopefully gonna record as much as I can. Joel, I think, wants to get on the camera a bit as well, just to show people what these dyno days and that are all about. And then obviously I'll just give video and clips and that of what's going on throughout the day. So sit back, get some popcorn if you fancy it, get a bottle of drink, whatever you guys want to do, because it'll probably be a long video, and then yeah, let's go. Right, so you can probably tell what road we're on right now, and because obviously I've done it in the last, I don't know if it's the last video or the video before actually, but yeah, we are literally here now. I just can't wait to see how busy it's going to be. I reckon it's going to be absolutely packed in here. I don't even know if at Callum's we have to find a parking space. It's right here, Callum. Typical. Look at that, another track there. Every time I record down here, come through, it's a fucking track there. There it is. Let's see how many people are here. It's not as busy as I thought it'd be. Still everyone will be here. Park it like, just whack it in like here or something next to this one here. And we'll go down and got ST, S3. There's your escorts and that. Let's have a little look here. Get out, see what's going on. Better let you out, Sean. Here we go. Let's see what's going on. Oh. Go and film. That's that S3 I went out on last month. There's Jack's ST over there. Jack always puts the ST there. Right, I'm going to flip the camera around a sec. Oh, it's literally hammering it down already. Damien's here with his car over there. We've literally got a load of cars. You don't even want to be in the video, Callum. You're not even being in the video. There's a brother. But yeah, there's a load of cars there already. It's all waiting to go on. Joel and that, I've just spoke to Joel, he's all down there. So I'm probably going to rock in on the inside now, go meet Jack and see the other guys, and then I'll start recording the cars coming in.
1 bar, 2 bar. Yeah. You're on reliable power really.
That's free, isn't it?
You're on reliable power really. You want to go over the top of this deal.
Nation here, isn't it?
So you build cars yourself, do you?
Me and my dad do it.
Buy a Lexus LS 400, big fucking V8, I think it's £2 grand. Take the engine out, full price. Get your money back.
People put them in and put it bad.
Look at it, oh my lord. I've been nowhere a few times, which is actually not a thing. No, it's old
I like to do it. all going on. It's all going on. Nah, no good, I don't think. I think it's no good. Is it going on? It's going on. There we go, it's a real car now. Of it, man.
Gosh, it's quiet.
Massive.
Huge. Turbo as well.
Yeah, they originally did this.
Yeah. What's what there?
Why did they ever stop making them? And then sort of left, didn't they?
Evo 6, yeah, 6. Nice. Lead up would be.
They don't look
Lock would be a fan of that one.
They don't look right without fat exhaust, really, do they?
No, they still look nice. I'm shaking like a leaf here, cat recording. Got 135i, number Focus ST. It's quite a nice little lineup here actually, so far. What are you doing with yours? It's on in a minute, innit? Oh mate, I am literally shaking like a damn leaf. Do a cold start, shall we? Crash is like too loud. Whoa. said. 436 diesel. Oh,
620
£620 tour.
I'd kill myself on that.
That must be quick. I'll bag it behind it.
350
Damien's Stage 1 Focus ST with a plug-in map. Dream Science, isn't it? Dream Science map. So what do you reckon then? 280 brake, you reckon?
280.
How much torque?
350.
350 foot-pounds. We'll see. Let's see what she makes. Come for a little break because it's absolutely freezing outside. Sean's over there. I've left over there, poor girl. I'll have to get her in a minute. But they do some banging cheesy roast potatoes there with gravy. I've had about 2 lots already. Oh, so good. But yeah, well, that's the car so far. I'm just gonna literally chill in here for a bit, warm up, and then I'll go record like the rest of them probably. I'm only gonna record a few more, and then I'm going home because I'm freezing. But yeah. Let's go see what they are. There's an Evo 6 here I really want to get on camera, so yeah, let's see. so that is the end of that. Hell of a really good day actually. Even though we ended up getting down here a bit later, we did see loads of cars, and Joel and Stuart and the rest of the guys there had a hell of a good turnout. So yeah, well done to Tuning Lab there. I'm sure there's gonna be more Tuning Lab days now and that as well. So if you want to come along, or if you want to be part of Tuning Lab, etc., you know what to do. Just check them out. It'll be in the description down below. Everyone's had a good time. Sean's cold. And the brothers are cold. We're all cold. And we want to go home now. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the clips. If you did, that last BMW apparently was last time it came in around like 520 something brake, and now it's supposed to be around like 700, but it ran like 300 and something then, or 400 and something. I can't remember. But so I don't know what's going on with that. But this Plymouth behind me, look at that. How huge is that? Ridiculous. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified every single time I upload. All my stuff, all my links, my social media description down below. Check it all out. And yeah, there'll be new LBTV merch coming soon. So yeah, guys, I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know.